Guys, it's Will from Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a Triumph Street Triple 765 and it's an RS1. This absolutely stunning, finished off in the titanium colour scheme. Really nice. Got some red accents through there as well as the silver. With the RSs, you get your Brembos on the front, you got your Ohlins rear shock, you got a quickshifter. Yeah, it's an absolute belter. This one's got a cheeky little tail tidy on as well. It's the nuts. 2018 18 plate, and it's only done 2,092 miles. As you could see then when the camera went down, Arrow exhaust on there as well. Let's give it a turn on so you can see the full TFT display there. Stunning, look at that. Oosh. And you can go through the different bits and bobs and also the different modes and things, but we'll get to that in a second. As you can see, you got the daytime running lights. On the right hand side you'll see the quick shifter, left hand side, the quick shifter as well. Seat cowl. Yeah, lovely bit of kit is this. Let's have a sneaky peek. Let's give it a quick start up for you. Nice and fruity with the Arrow exhaust on there. Stunning to look at. Great sounding and the blinking quick. Anyway guys, all you need to do to get this bought, bob down at Jordan Bikes, just give us a shout. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.